Guys, what's up? Big Girl Patriana here, Get Ready With Me edition. And today I'll be trying out the Artis Oval Brush. This is their multifunctional brush that you can use for foundation, concealer, bronzing, blush, baking, whatever you name it. And they use setting spray. I'm using the Kevin Aucoin Foundation Balm Medium FB07. And as always, guys, skin prep is the way to go. Guys, when you do your foundation, don't forget the ears. Give me that quick, nice, easy coverage. Whatever the remaining here, I'm just gonna push it down. I'm gonna use this Chanel Soleil Tan Bronze. Do a little bit here, dab it in. I like to go with my product very lightly. Beautiful. This part is kind of automatically blend it in for you. Gotta narrow that jawline. Last but not least, gonna bronze up a little bit of my hairline. I'm definitely going to be recommending this oval brush from Artis. It's just so it's multifunctional, and you use the code PATRIANAPAAGO, you can get 10% off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!